Hey guys, I'm the Hacksmith, and my team and I take fictional ideas from comics, movies, and video games and make real working prototypes. Now, in case you've been living under a rock lately, Elon Musk has just come out with a commercially available Flamethrower. He's selling the Flamethrower through the Boring Company, which is one of his business ventures that hopes to revolutionize underground transportation by building giant tunnels underground at the speed of a snail. The funny thing is, a few months ago, he sold boring hats to raise money for the company, and he promised if he sold 50,000 of them, he'd sell a flamethrower next. Well, he sold out of hats, and now we have a flamethrower available for pre-order and a few teaser videos on Instagram. But you know me, I'm not the most patient of YouTubers. Plus, I can make almost anything. So I made my own version. Let's test it out, and make sure you subscribe, because we're going to post a build video showing how we made this in just a few days. This project was not sponsored or endorsed by the great Elon Musk. For more information on the real flamethrower by the Boring Company, please visit www.boringcompany.com/flamethrower. Now, we tried to keep the design as close as possible to the Boring Company's flamethrower. We used a Nerf shell to make the gun, and a standard propane tank on top. I believe this is a 1-pound propane tank, and then the core of this is actually just a weed burner meant for pruning around the garden. But let's see what it can do, and I'll show you the features. Ignition is performed by a 20,000 volt spark generator. This thing gives you a nasty shock. And then our trigger releases a 12 volt solenoid valve, releasing a plume of propane gas. Now, lighting it does take a bit of practice because the propane's coming out so fast it can actually put out the flame from the sparker. So we found the best technique is to blast it and then light it. It's also great for roasting nuts. Perfect. Roasted almonds. Plus, with the standard issue tack rail, you can add any accessories you want, including this laser sight. Now you can see where your flames go. Plus, it's great for roasting marshmallows. Perfect marshmallow. Use a bit more. And that's how I like my marshmallows. You want some?
And lo and behold, some say that this was the day the Hacksmith finally descended onto the path of madness and villainy. Those that knew him, however, said it was an inevitability.
So for our final test, we're going to do a little modification to make this thing just a bit more powerful. First, we get rid of the existing tank. Now, I don't want to one-up Elon Musk, but I'm going to one-up Elon Musk. We've made an additional fuel backpack for our boring flamethrower, and this actually increases the capacity as well as the output of our flamethrower. And just to remind you, this thing can put out 500,000 BTUs, which is ridiculous. A house furnace is only around 70,000. Got my fire retardant coveralls on. These are fire retardant, right? Right? Should I put gloves on? Nah. Let me show you its features. Not bad. This thing is awesome. Yeah, I like that fire. There's actually a lot of propane in the hose, so check this out. I've closed this, everything else is open. Had about 20 seconds of extra fuel just in the line between the tank and the gun. Oh, better. Oh, my fingers are cold. All right, let's go inside. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed our take on Elon Musk's Flamethrower. For more information on the real one, check out boringcompany.com/flamethrower. And since we made it, we decided to do a quick little parody of his Instagram videos. Take a look. And make sure you check out some of our other videos. We take fictional ideas from comics, movies, and video games, and sometimes Elon Musk, and make real working versions. Hit that notify bell, because we're releasing a build video showing how we made this in just a few days. Thanks for watching.